Are you a business owner, a freelancer, or an agency? Do you know there are 6.3 billion active mobile devices worldwide, which is 80% of the world population switching to mobile? Having a mobile application of your business can connect you to that 80% of customers, add as their comfort. Building business applications can involve time, money, regular maintenance, and endless hours of IT management. One has to handle code conflicts, deal with repetitive tasks, and take care of a lot of headaches that come with it. Whether you're from e-commerce, marketing, technology, or media, time is precious and you don't want to spend all your time in long coding projects that can cost both time and money. With Twinr, we can convert your website into a mobile application in less than 24 hours without any coding. All you have to do is enter your website's URL, customize, preview it in real time, add features such as push notifications, and publish it on App Store. All this without the trouble of launching a separate version every time you update. Transform your application idea into reality without any coding for free today with Twinr.